In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to record your screen on new iPhones. This feature is great for tutorials, gameplay, or anything you want to share, so let's begin. First, unlock your iPhone and swipe down to open the control center. Then press and hold the blurred area and tap Add a control. Find screen recording, click on it, and then tap on the empty space to add it. To start capturing, just tap the record button. After a 3-second countdown, it will begin. To stop, tap the red bar at the top and confirm. The video will be saved in your Photos app. By default, it records the sound from your speakers, but if you want to add mic audio too, press and hold the record button and click on the microphone to enable it. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.